Hey guys, good morning from Kheer Ganga. It's very chilly out here, almost near to 7-8 degree. So this is where we were staying. If you can see, this is the camps and this is the view that we woke up to. So if I'm not wrong, this is the Parvati range and this is all the setup that was. So it's 6:30 now and we are all set to leave. We spoke to a few locals here. They mentioned that the down trek would take a little less time, so we are targeting somewhere around 3.5 hours. Yesterday it was exactly 5 hours. So let's see if we can cover it, because once we reach down we have to travel to Delhi as well. So a very hectic day would just go and travel. The trip technically or it just ends here, so this is the last few moments of the trip. From here it will be just travel and travel, but I'll take you guys down the hill as well. We'll walk along and let's see how it goes. Starting the hike at 6:54. Let's see what it takes and bye bye mountains. Let's go. So guys, we just crossed that waterfall and it's exactly 1 kilometers away from Kheer Ganga. We have covered 1 kilometers, exactly 1.01 kilometers. It took us 42 minutes to do that. Let's see how soon we can complete this trek. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you the complete distances because my battery, my watch battery is about to die. So let's see how far we can cover it. And this is the scene out here. A non-stop 2-kilometer trek. It's not that hard as it was yesterday. I can't even speak properly. We have covered 1.95 kilometers. It took us 1 hour 13 minutes. It wasn't as difficult as it was yesterday. It was very easy. I think it's more 3 to 4 kilometers to go. The pace is good. Let's keep walking. Hey guys, so we have covered 2.5 kilometers now and we are taking a break, a short breakfast break. It's still 3 or 4 odd kilometers to go. Would take 2 hours. My watch battery has died, so can't update you on the altitude or the time, exact time, but I'll keep you posted on how many complete hours we take to do this, and we'll have a breakfast and we'll keep moving. So guys, almost 3.5 kilometers trek down from the Kheer Ganga and you come to this beautiful Nathan village. So now let's keep walking. Varshini, where we'll get picked up, is almost 4 kilometers from here. That would take anywhere around 2 to 2.5 hours. Also next to this waterfall you have the Rudranag temple here, so we'll take a short break here and we'll keep moving. So we're almost about to enter Nathan village. It was a 4-kilometer trek down here. Completely exhausted, body is giving up. Vikram, how do you feel?
Completely exhausted. More, I guess 2 to 3 kilometers to go, right?
Yeah, it's almost
Anyways,
two.
we can see the bridge from here.
Yeah, so we can see the point where we have to go. We can see the dam from here, but it's almost 2 kilometers down from here. Would be 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Let's see. Let's keep moving. Entering the Nathan village. ये मानो कि खत्म ही नहीं होती. It starts, you get 2-3 houses and then it's again that same trek. Okay, I need to be fast here. So if you want to stay here, you can do that too. I see there are a lot of homestays here. So Khir Ganga is 7 kilometers from here. So we have done a 7-kilometer long trek. I think it's not more than 2 now. Let's see. It's all downhill. We spoke to a few locals here. They mentioned it's all downhill. So correction from earlier, from Nathan village, Parvati Dam is not 2 kilometers, it's 3 kilometers. We almost had a trek of 1.5 kilometers and now we can actually see the Parvati Dam down there. So that is where we started, that is where we have to end our trek. So let's keep moving. So almost there. That is the Parvati Dam where we started. So for the Khir Ganga trek, you have 2 routes. Either you go on the Parvati Dam and you go right. You take the shorter one, but that's more hectic. So that would be almost around 7.5 kilometers. Or you can take left and go through the Nathan village. This is almost a 10-kilometer trek, but it was comparatively easy. Not sure if this was easy because it was downhill or if this is a flat trek. But this was a lot easier than what we faced yesterday. So 2 routes, guys. I would suggest go right, take the shorter one. I feel climbing upwards it would be a lot easier, and then while returning you can definitely take the Nathan village route. It will be very easy. We'll almost take, I guess, 10 to 15 minutes now to reach. This is me, exhausted, dead, proud. Always keep the never give up attitude, guys. Trust me, this is an achievement, like 18 kilometers trekking. I never walked 1800 meters on the plains. This is a feat and I'm proud of it. Let's keep moving. So guys, this was it for the Khir Ganga trek. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to drop a like. Also subscribe to us for more travel related content. Till then, I'll leave you with a glimpse of the Parvati Kund, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.